Today's video is about chloroplast, mitochondria, vascular bundles. If you find this video informative and useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Chloroplast, also known as kitchen of the cell. So it's present only in the plant cell. So chloroplast or cell organelles present only in the plant cell. Parts inside the chloroplast are stroma. The stroma is here. Totally the whole thing is the stroma, and the inner membrane and the outer membrane. Then you find thylakoids, DNA and ribosomes. These are thylakoid, that is it shown outside, the single thing you called as a thylakoid here, and totally you call them as a grana. Stroma is a homogeneous jelly-like matrix in which grana, DNA, ribosomes and other things are being scattered. Grana. So what is grana? This is a grana. So it is arranged like a how this each one single digit is a thylakoid. So each thylakoid is arranged one above the other like a pile of coin. You call them as grana. It consists of, like you can say, a stack of disc-shaped structures known as thylakoids. It contains chlorophyll, which are functional unit of chloroplast, which are photosynthetic. So totally they are photosynthetic in nature. Next is mitochondria. It is also known as a powerhouse of the cell. So this is the structure of the mitochondria. So you find this is the matrix inside. It's a rod shape, and inside you find folded like structures. You call them as cristae. You find the ribosomes scattered here and there. So rod shaped double membrane structure found in cells both in plant cells and animal cells. Like gel-like matrix. Then here energy is liberated in the form of ATP molecules. Regulates the metabolic activities of the cell, promotes the growth of new cells and cell multiplication. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell, a cell wall is present. Animal cell wall, there is no cell wall, only cell membrane is there. Now here nucleus is present, but it is pushed to one side of the cell. It is present in one corner. Here nucleus lies in the center of the cell and it is prominent in the center. Plastids are present in plant cell, whereas here animal cell it is absent. Like you can find a vacuole, one big vacuole occupies the center of the cell. It is very small and scattered all over. You find numerous, many are there. So here mode of nutrition is autotropics. In plant cell they have chloroplast in them. They prepare their own food. Here in animals mode of nutrition is heterotropic. They depend on other plants or any animal for food. This is the phloem. So phloem, xylem and phloem together they are known as vascular tissues. They play an important role in transporting food and water. So this is the structure of the phloem. So you find the sieve plates here, sieve tubes, phloem parenchyma and companion cells are here. Similarly in the case of xylem, so you find the perforated plate here, then the tracheids and the fiber. So this is xylem. Next is xylem. Xylem and phloem together they are known as vascular tissues. So what are the work they do? What is the main function? It transports water, minerals upwards from the roots to the stem and leaves. So it is one direction from the bottom to the upper part of the shoot system. So what are they composed of? Composed of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. So here this tracheids and vessels are water conducting. Here I have written in a small way H2O conducting. Then long tubes made up of xylem cells carry nutrition and fluid. These are also known as xylem sap. So capillary action, only this process of carrying the water it is enabled. It can be done. So it moves against gravity. Next one is phloem. Phloem transports food prepared in the leaves to other parts of the plant. This transportation you call them as translocation. So the transportation of food from the leaves to other parts you call as translocation. Here it is bidirectional. So it moves in a different way, two direction. That is from the leaves it may come to the roots for storage, or it may go to the other branches where food has to be stored in the form of fruits. Then what are they composed of? Composed of sieve tubes, then companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers.